The ARC Retrofit Eaves Insulator provides a simple and robust retrofit solution for insulating the eaves junction of existing dwellings. Designed at the Leeds Sustainability Institute and developed at ARC Building Solutions, the ARC Retrofit Eaves Insulator is patent protected and has been extensively tested to ensure it is fit for purpose. The ARC Retrofit Eaves Insulator should be used in properties where access to wall insulation is not possible and the loft requires ventilation through the eaves. Legacy loft insulation present in older UK properties is often ineffective due to material deterioration. When installing the ARC Retrofit Eaves Insulator, it is recommended to replace the old loft insulation. Installation is quick and simple. Fold the Retrofit Eaves Insulator in half, ensuring that the tray is on the outside. Compress the product using the tray to ensure that the air is expelled from the bagged insulation. The folded product can be pushed into the eaves space. If required, a pole can be used to push the Retrofit Eaves Insulator so that it is correctly positioned at the eaves junction. The re-entry of air into the bag should cause the product to slowly open, pushing the ridges of the tray against the roof felt. Once the eaves insulator is in place, lay loft roll up to the eaves insulator to the required depth. It is important to ensure that the top of the ventilation ridges are not blocked by the loft insulation. This can be achieved by ensuring that there is a gap between the insulation and the roof felt. Visit our website to find out more about ARC's award-winning products.